That's unfortunate. My mic was muted the whole time, but I was basically talking through that entire trade. But I got caught in this volume, pushed to the upside. Very very unfortunate, man. Very unfortunate. This is really my first time trading Sundays in a long ass time, so kind of seeing what the Sundays look like. But uh, reason for entry. This was a consolidation zone. We broke out. We broke out right here. I hopped in, entry like this. Y'all know how I manage my trades. It was like this. And this, I was almost at TP. I mean, it almost hit TP, and then it just rejected. Rejected, pulled back, came back in. when it came back down here, I was more confident that the trade was going to hit, so I scaled in and moved my SL down. It rejected again, shot all the way up, hit SL. Just unfortunate. Very, very quick L on the combine. But I'm just gonna hop on the practice. Where's my practice account? They deleted the practice account. I'm gonna just go back to my I'm gonna just hop on my practice account because that was a pretty quick day. I mean, I'll take a couple more trades. So let's go ahead and see. I be taking my card off so they don't hit me with them monthly bills. Let's go ahead and get a practice account going. I had a feeling I was gonna lose. Unfortunate. All right, let's see if we have a little bit more success on this 150. Oh, let me put that back. All right, we did just okay. We broke above this 4-hour resistance, came back, just tapped it again. Let's see what this 1 minute candle does. Depending on what this 1 minute candle does, is gonna decide what I do. I want to see this candle close below and then close back above. Alright, it did close below just barely. Let's double check, make sure the zone is sharp. Okay, nah, the zone wasn't really as sharp as it should have been. We're breaking below the support. Let's see what happens. What up, coach? Alright, we're back into the consolidation zone. See what happens. Nice rejection. If this next candle closes above this 4-hour support, I'm gonna be in. What up, Drake, bro? You got me interested in gold. I took a couple trades along earlier tonight. Plus 420 on 2 evals and plus 220 funded account. Called it a night. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we might get the close above. Yeah, gold is nice. Gold is nice. We're pretty deep. Just the 50% mark of this consolidation zone. Not gonna hop in for a buy just yet though, because this is a pretty strong momentum candle. It hasn't really showed any signs of slowing up just yet. If this candle closes back outside this consolidation zone, I'm gonna hop in. It stayed inside. It stayed inside, so I didn't have an entry. If this closes above this 4 hour support, I'll be in too though. So I got 2 chances to hop in. Even if this would have closed before I hopped in, that move just happened way too quick. I would have either got slipped or not been in time anyways. Alright, right back into the consolidation zone. If this rejects outside of this zone, I'm gonna be in. Alright, we chilling. Getting a lot of rejection right here, so this is gonna become a zone. If this 1 minute closes above here, it's an entry. It could shoot up and reject this 4 hour support, but I think I'll be at TP before then. Alright. Let me see. This is incorrect. I believe 300 it'd be like 1500, something like that. Different parameters because this is a 150K account. I'll start managing the trade if we get a break below here. Getting off. Alright, TP smash. Let's look for another one. We get a retest back to this 4 hour support. I'm gonna be in again. I believe the zone is right here. Yeah, here we go. Alright, I'm in again. I'm gonna have to change my parameters real quick. Let me change this. betting that it's gonna reject the zone. This is a 4 hour support. We just broke above it. Decent POI. If it doesn't reject right here, it could come down, reject right here, or reject the consolidation zone as well. A lot of points of rejection. Alright, TP smash. What up, Sleazy? Alright, let's see what else we can get. If we, I mean, for those of y'all who was in the streams last week, I will take the same zones again and again and again. So if price decides to reject and come back down here again, I'm gonna take the same buy again. It's pushing up with a lot of momentum right now. Alright, so this was a 5-minute resistance right here. I didn't have it marked out, so I wasn't able to see it. But it looks like we're about to get a rejection back into the zone again. I'm gonna take another buy if it gets down here. Didn't want to push all the way back down. Back at this 5-minute support, resistance. See what happens. Really don't want to go against this buying momentum right now. That's how I got caught up on my combine. I took a sale. I still take a sale though, don't get it twisted, but I'll need some really strong confirmation. Let's zoom out to see where we headed towards. Alright, we got a 4-hour zone up here. 1 hour as well. Could see some rejection in this area. A little bit right there as well. I'm gonna leave this one off because it's really not enough data for me to put that one. All right, this candle, no, never mind. Let's see if it's gonna retrace back down in this 4-hour zone. I think my limit is still there, isn't it? Yeah, my limit is still here, so let's see if it activates us. Same thing, if it breaks below here, I'll start to manage the trade. Alright, here we go, I'm in. 30-minute candle just opened up. Let's look at the 30. Alright, it did break through and close. Whenever you see a candle close with no bottom wick, that's really, you can't really trust that, because every time, usually when a candle closes with no bottom wick, the next candle is just gonna retrace it. So let's see what happens. Alright, we broke below. If we get a rejection, I'm gonna move my SL below this candle wick. Alright, here we go. That's pretty good. Move my SL up. 450. I'm gonna scale in 2 more.
Order filled.
Ooh, shit. God damn. Alright, selling pressure is real. But it didn't close below. It pushed down, it broke through this, it broke through the 4-hour zone. Broke through both these consolidation zones. Could just be a LQ grab. But we'll see. If we get a close back above this 4-hour zone, I'm gonna just assume it was a LQ grab, and I'm gonna hop back in. Yeah, man, I literally lost the very first trade of the day. Yeah, I lost the very first trade of the day, man. I got 1 pip rejected. I got 1 pip rejected. I scaled in, and then I got caught in a heavy buy candle, so it kind of slipped me. Like my SL was at like 590. I ended up losing 659 on that. So yeah, I took 1 trade. Very first trade was a L. It happens though. That's why I'm just on the practice account right now. If this closes back above, I'm gonna be back in. But if we get this a nice rejection hammer, then I'm just gonna assume settlers are really here. But it has to close bearish. Like it would have to close something like this for me to hop in for a sell. Close above, I'm in. I don't want it to push up too far though. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing up too far. Yeah, so it looks like this was just a liquidity grab. You know, it happens. You never really know if it's a liquidity grab or if it's an actual change of trend until, you know, it reveals itself. So that's why I just decided to cut the trade right here. But since we got to close back below, I'm gonna take the exact same trade again. It comes back down to this 4-hour zone. I'm gonna hop in again. Yep, gotta trust the plan, man. Trust the plan. Man, what's up, Unify, bro? You missed go time, bro. We on the practice account now. We on the practice account now, bro. I missed my first. I lost the very first trade of the day. So like I hopped on the stream 5 minutes in the stream. I was already done with my combine, so I already locked it out. We on the practice account, man. Getting some reps up. Yeah. So my combine, I'm pretty much break even. I'm down $100, so it is what it is. We got the whole week to bounce back. Yeah, I'm always locking out, bro. I don't play around. I ain't finna blow my account at one day. But yeah, everybody in the stream, man, drop a like. Drop a like, and y'all know what I'm about to say. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Drop a like and join the Discord. What up, Houdini? What up? Damn, man, this buying pressure. This buying pressure ain't no joke right now. Damn, I got LQ, bro. I got liquidated bad, bro. I got liquidated bad, bro. I liquidated bad. What I should have did instead of moving my SL off the break, I should have waited till it closed below here for me to decide to start managing the trade. But we're at this 1 minute support. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna be very cautious for any sales right now, bro. All right, we just pushed up to the 1 hour support. Yeah. If we get a nice rejection candle, I'll get a quick scalp. But if not, well, we're just gonna wait for a good buy signal. We might be able to get a quick buy scalp if it pushes back down here. We did close above the 1 hour, so man, they here. I don't know what's going on, but they here. Buyers are here for real. I ain't gonna lie. I still like London. I still prefer London and New York, but you know, it is what it is. Cause what I've noticed with Asia, it'll be like the volume will be chill, and then it'll just be like 1, 2 candles that just get crazy volume out of nowhere. In London and New York, you already know it's gonna be volume. It's kind of like consistent volume with every candle. But Asia, it'll be completely chill, and then 1, 2 candles like every 1, 2 candles like every 15 minutes, or just do something crazy. So I can easy so you can it's easy to get caught in just like a weird move. What the hell? All right, it actually gave me an even better entry. This was a nice rejection hammer. I know that the buyers are here for real, but this 1 hour support is here. We got a 4 hour consolidation zone popping up. Um, maybe the buyers are gonna prove me wrong, but I mean, like, and this is another thing with me getting used to Asia session. Like, there's no news right now. There's no big news events, so when I see heavy trended moves, it's hard for me to believe it. You know, like I always feel like during Asia, it's gonna be some type of pullback coming up. Let's see where I'm gonna start to manage the trade. Um, we get a close above this line, I'll start managing. This 15 minute is about to close in 4 minutes. That should be in my favor. 3 minutes till this 15 minute closes. 2 more minutes. I probably would have took this trade during New York, or I maybe would have still took this trade during London, but I definitely wouldn't have took it during New York, just because the volume probably could have easily just kept the buy pressure going. But like I said, during Asia session, it's hard for me to believe. It's hard to me, but it's hard for me to believe that a trend is just gonna keep pushing with heavy volume during Asia, because it's just not nothing any it's just nothing going on. You know, it's just simply nothing going on. And the reason for me hopping in this trade was we had a 1 hour support right here. This 1 minute closed above, made a rejection hammer close back below. That's a sign for a fake out. I was supposed to get in right here, but my connection actually lagged, and I got a better entry up here. So, I'm not complaining. We have a consolidation zone that just formed right here. So, we're just gonna follow the rules, man. This kind of a shady area to be taking trades after this, big ass push. So, I really don't have a good gauge of what's gonna happen. So since I don't have a good gauge of what's gonna happen, I'm just gonna follow my rules. London starts at 2 a.m. Central Time. Um, I believe that's 3 a.m. Eastern. All right. Ooh, looks like we're about to get a sale. 2 seconds. All right, we got it. We got a nice little pullback too to make our entry better. Order filled. Stop in. Reasoning for entry: we had a consolidation zone form. This candle closed outside the zone. Real simple. We just hop in for the sale. If we get same rules, if we get a close above here, I'll start managing the trade. We have a lot of space to fill in too, so high probability trade. But to be fair, we got a consolidation zone right here, and this resistance right here could still hold up. But we'll see. Order filled. All right, there we go. This is the same. I mean, this is the same consolidation zone strategy that I was using before. The only difference is before I started off on NQ, and now I'm just using gold. So that's the only difference. It's the same strategy. If you're referring to how I would always add to my SL, um, I mean um, that really like it works. It works. But that doesn't make or break the strategy. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna add your profits to your SL, you can do that for sure. Um, but that won't make or break the strategy. That's just like a personal preference thing that I like to do. We get a close back above this 1 hour zone, I'm gonna be in for a buy. I'm way more confident in buys than I am in sales, so I really won't be worried. If not, if we don't get the break above here, then I'm either gonna wait for a consolidation zone setup or I'm gonna wait for a close below this zone, and then I'll just see what happens. I'm actually really not interested in taking any sales. So what I'm gonna do, if we get a close below here, if the next 1 minute candle closes back above, then I'll hop in for a buy. But we'll see. Let's see if we get the close below first. All right, no close below, but we're all getting some nice rejections off the zone. So we could get an entry. We'll see. The entry that's giving me this bull wick is called support and resistance levels with breaks. I actually had this other indicator turned off. I forgot. But yeah, that's this one. Mm, These B's are buy signals, by the way. Yeah, I mean, obviously. Some people like to take this indicator to heart. You know, like you see buy signal if it places the buy because it'll place the B during the candle and it'll also place it at the close. So if you just took this indicator to heart and you said and you wait for a B and then you buy, um, depending on how you manage your risk reward, I mean that could work as well. Like right here, B, you would have hit. Let's see if we can get a close above this 1 hour. A little too much volume right now. If it pushes up, if this same candle pushes up with too much volume, I'm gonna hop in for a sell, just because this candle is abnormally large and it's gonna have to pull back. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna hop in right here. Well, I'm gonna wait. I'm not right here, not right here. I'm gonna at least wait for this candle to close. 13 seconds. I could have hopped in right there, but I was just being cautious. But since we got the oh damn, it didn't even close above. Is it gonna close above? All right, that's a nice close. Um, I'm not gonna hop in. I'm gonna wait till we get a pullback to this 1 hour zone. We are back inside the consolidation zone, so we could get some traction. There's no rush, man. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. It's really when you're on the 1 minute time frame, there's really no such thing as missing a trade, bro. You're gonna get another trade in the next 5 minutes for sure. I'm about to hop in a buy in a little bit though. I want to see this. Okay, here we go. All right, just hopped in. The reason for hopping in, we just retraced back to this 1 hour. It was a resistance. We broke above, so now support. We broke back inside. We're going with the trend. We've been having some heavy buys coming in, so that's why I hopped in right here. Looks like it was more interested in the zone down here. That would have also been a good entry, but you never really know if it's gonna get there. In this case, it did. I could scale in, but no real need. No real need. We get a break below here. I'll start managing the trade. We'll get a close, not a break, not a break. If we get a close below here, I'll start managing the trade. This 1 hour closes in 8 minutes, so could be interesting what we see here. Um, for sellers, for sellers, they're gonna try to get this 1 hour candle below here. Buyers are gonna try to, just try to get it to close as high as possible. All right, I'm gonna move my manage to right here. If we get a close below here, I'll start managing the trade.
Order
All right,
filled.
TP smash. Let's see what we get. We got a liquidation. We got a liquidation. Potential liquidation up here. Potential liquidation up here. Right back into the middle of the consolidation zone. Probably gonna see another little quick push from the sellers to the downside. Y'all know how I do. If it comes back to the zone again, I'm gonna take another buy again. The buying pressure is pretty heavy right now, so I'm more confident. The only reason I'm thinking about entering sales at this point in time is because there's 5 minutes left until this 1 hour close. So I know during the end of 1 hour closes, price likes to shrink down a little bit to make the bull side wick. So if we can get a push for liquidation above here, I'm gonna be in for a quick scalp to the downside. And there's a 4 hour zone right above, so everything is kind of aligning. 5 minutes though. So this 5 minute candle is gonna determine the close of the 1 hour. Let's see what happens. What I want to see is a push, and then I'm gonna take a sell, a quick sell. It doesn't have to get up there though, so we'll see. And it's a little too late in the hour candle for me to take a buy at this zone, but if I will take a buy down here. I will take a buy down here, but I won't use this buy zone for this hour candle. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get up here. I might be trying to be too much of a sniper, but if we can get up here, that would be really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I waited a little bit too long. I gotta wait. I gotta wait now. I wanted to see it get up here to 29.12. I kind of want to see. I kind of want to wait for it to get to 29.12 before I hop in. But there's really no guarantee. There's 3 minutes left in this hour candle. So really no guarantee if it's gonna get up there. But now that I see that the selling pressure is real, I don't need to see it get to 29.12 anymore. I just need to see get back to 29.11. Looks like I was trying to be too much of a sniper though, but it happens. That's just how I like to get my entries. 3 minutes left to this hour close. We still got time. Trying to get this 1 hour wick rejection. 2 minutes left. I need this 1 hour candle to shoot up bullish. At least get back up to 29.11 so I can get my entry. I'm gonna go ahead and set my limit so I don't miss it. All right, that's my limit order right there. I want to see if I can get it.
Order
All right,
fulfilled.
I'm in. Let me see if we can get it. Just looking for a nice rejection before this 1 hour closes, and then hopefully the next hour candle wants to retrace this hour. This big ass bullish candle that just formed. This is exactly what we was looking for. How much longer we got? We got 15 seconds till this close. Need a little bit more volume. Hey, look at everybody. Look at Captain Obvious in the chat. Somebody clap it up for Captain Obvious. Hey, Captain Obvious. Hey, everybody clap it up for Captain Obvious. Dumbass. All right, let's look for another trade. Uh, my chart is getting a little messy, so I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna mark out. I'm just remarking the chart. I'm just remarking my chart because it was getting a little messy. All right. This is an hour. For those wondering, I'm on my practice account because I already traded my combine. I took a L. I took a L first. I took a L literally in the first, my very first trade of the live stream. I took a L, and I already locked my account out. So that's why I'm on my practice account. This is what we looking like on the combine so far. Uh, I actually got a pretty decently large slip. My SL was like 590. I ended up losing 659 because it was a heavy volume push. But it's whatever. Pretty much still break even. So it's cool. First day of the week. So now after I took this L, I just hopped on my practice account. So yeah. So far on the practice account today, 6-2, up 9-10. It was just unfortunate that I lost the very first trade of the day, but it happens. Can't complain about it. It's not gonna be the last time it happened. It'll happen again. But anyways, let me finish marking this chart up. Mm, 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 mm. Not really too much going on. So I'm just gonna mark it. I'm just gonna leave my chart like this, and then if we're in between these zones, I'll just be using the consolidation breakout. But we did just get a tap into this 4 hour zone. So let's see if we get like a heavy rejection or anything like that, or a close below, close above. This is a nice hammer. This is a nice hammer. So that shows that this 4 hour zone does hold some selling pressure. So I just want to see. Damn, damn. Let's see if we can get. I'm gonna have my limit order. It's probably too late, but the selling pressure is real in that area, so I have my limit right there. But it looks like I'm too late. What up, the takeover? Yeah, unfortunately I missed this sale, but it'll get back up there again. I'll be looking for it. Sellers are here. Sellers are here. Sellers are at 29.12, and we just got a consolidation zone. Yeah, I like Topstep a lot. I've been trading with Topstep for going out. Has it been a year? Maybe a year. I don't know if it's quite been a year yet, but maybe it's getting up there. At least like 10 months. Maybe a year. I've maybe been trading with Topstep for a year now. Uh, we get a break. We get a close below this consolidation zone. I'll be in for a sale. Let's get some likes on the live, man. Let's get some likes. Oh damn, we got 11. Shout out. Shout out to people who liked the live already. 14. I just started a week ago, 100K combine. Let's go, man. Let's get this money. I'm on my practice account right now. I already locked out my combine. Looks like we're getting some rejection right here. Let's see what's going on. I got a stuffy nose. I know y'all can hear that, so my bad. We got some structure over here or what? Nah, not really. All right. Price is pushing back up to 29.12. We already know the seller's there for sure, so I got my limit already set. Why did I have this line here? I don't think this is relevant anymore. If y'all are in the live stream, join the Discord, man. We turned up in the Discord every day. I think we're at 100. We might be at 100. Let me see. We might be at 100 members, man. We are currently at 95. So 5 more people join, and we will officially be at 100 members in the Discord. See if we're gonna get entered. Mm-hmm. The reason I have my limit above the high and not kind of like right where the consolidation zone is just because I like to get sniper entries. I could easily have been in the trade like right here, like as soon as it tapped into the zone, but I like to get snipes. And I find most of the time when I hop in the trade early, it would have touched my original entry anyways, through drawdown. So it's usually better to just wait. This 15-minute closes in 3 minutes. So let's see what wants to happen. If we get entered before this 15-minute closes, that's gonna be good for us. All right, almost there. Just a little bit more. I mean, we should be in right there, but you know, come on, bro, don't do that now. Oh, hell no, bro. Hell no. You better not tank, bro. 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 Come on, bro. All right, yeah, there we go. Come on, get me activated, bro. Get me activated. There we go. All right, I'm in. All right, let's see what happens. This 15-minute closes in 2 minutes. Let's see how much volume it's actually trying to push up with. This is a sellers have already proven to be in this area, so that's why I'm in. One rejection, two rejection, three rejection, four rejection. I'm just trying to get in on that fifth one. One more minute to this 15-minute closes. Let me find where I'm going to start managing the trade. All right, we get a close. Close above here, I'll start to manage. It has to close above that line, not just wick above it. Let's go to the 5. There's structure right there. That's why I have the line there. All right. Nice rejection. So now I know that this is a heavy sell zone too. So if we can get this TP smash, I'll be taking sales if we can get back up there. I'm not gonna scale in though. I gotta wait for TP to get hit.
Order filled.
All right, good shit, good shit, good shit. All right, I want to see a close back above this 4 hour. If this next 1 minute candle closes back above this 4 hour support, I'm gonna be in for a buy. Other than that, I'm gonna just be waiting for some more structure to form. If this 1 hour candle closes above this 4 hour zone right here, I'll be in for a buy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move this up. It has to close. I'm gonna keep it where it was. I'm gonna keep it where it was. Just keep it where it is. 15 seconds. All right, so it didn't close above. Let's zoom out, see what we're looking for. Let me delete this. This doesn't even really matter anymore. Hmm. Let's see what happens when price comes in contact with this 5 minute support. I'm gonna enter off the touch. I'm only entering off the touch because we've been in a pretty strong buy trend right now. So um I don't think I have to wait for a close. 2911.4. If it gives me the entry, it looks like it's trying to reject before it even gets there. Damn, crazy rejection. But we do have a limit buy down there. That's a crazy rejection candle. Shout out, shout out the people who just. I think I can see who just subbed actually. Shout out Darian Brandon who just subbed. Let's get to 360 subs. We need one more sub. All right, looks like my limit might get touched real quick. Let's see what happens. Come on, man, get me in. How you want to do that? This next candle should tap me in. Bro, here we go with this shit. Here we go with this shit, bro. Come on. That's what I be talking about. This shit I be talking about. This shit I be talking about, bro. Good shit, Nola. Good shit. This my practice account right now though. I locked my personal out. earlier in the stream. The first trade I took was a L. This is what we looking like on the combine so far right now. It's what the combine. It's what the combine's looking like right now. I got slipped. I got slipped today. This was only supposed to be for about $5.90. I got slipped $60. That's cool though. I ain't tripping. So pretty much break even. We're gonna bounce back throughout the week though. Just getting some trades on this practice account right now. That's tough, bro. That's tough. I should have definitely been in on that. It is what it is though. Can't cry over spoiled milk. I'm gonna keep my limit down there though. Alright, it's looking like it might give me a second chance. This 25-minute closes in 1 minute. This 30-minute closes in about 6. Yeah, I usually use market entries myself. It's only certain positions where I choose the limit order. I'd say I probably use limit orders like 25% of the time. Usually it's just a market entry. Mm, We get a tap back into this consolidation zone. I'm gonna probably take a sell. That's two rejections back to back out of the zone. So either way it go, whether it pushes up here, I'm gonna take a sell, or if it pushes down here, I'm gonna take a buy. I'm finna start ping ponging in a little bit. All right, here we go. If it can get there, I'm gonna set another limit. Matter of fact, one more push up, and I'm in. One more push up. One more push up, I'm in. There you go.
Order filled.
We get a close above this line, I'll start managing the trade. 30-minute closes in 3 minutes. Let's see what we're looking like. I used to trade London and a little bit of NY, but my schedule changed, work related, so I just trade Asia now. 2 more minutes till this 30 close. We should have some sellers coming in a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Some sellers should come in a little bit. This 30 minute is about to close. All right, 1 more minute left. I'm expecting this to be a bearish candle. Let's see what this is gonna close like. So all right, when this next 30 minute opens, it's gonna have two choices. It's either gonna want to fill the body or fill the wick. We'll just see what has to happen. How many seconds we got left? 15 seconds left. All right, so we're just gonna have to wait for this next 30 to see what happens. Very bullish candle for the last minute of the 30. That's interesting. Close above this line, I'll start managing the trade like I said before. All right, 30 open. Let's see if it wants to push up. I mean, the whole goal is looks like it's going to be to fill in this candle right here. So it's either going to fill in this candle. Um, my only thing is, does it want to fill in the body before it shoots up? But it's looking like buyers are about to commit to a push. So let's see what happens. This 1 minute closes in 5 seconds. Looks like we're going to get a close above. All right, so for me to manage the trade, I need I need a candle to close back below here, and then I'll move my SL probably above this wick. See how much time is left on this one. 20 seconds. Hopefully this can stay bearish. If this can stay bearish, I'll move my SL down. All right, 10 seconds. All right, that's cool. All right, 950. I'm gonna make it 1,000. That way, if I lose, I'll still be in profit at least a little bit. Mm-mm. It's clean range, so you know it could clearly just push through, but we'll see. This two counter push. just put the trade in a bad position. I was expecting the what was that, a 30-minute close? I was expecting the 30-minute close to for sellers to come in, but clearly the opposite happened in the last 2 minutes of the 30-minute close. Buyers decided to push it up some more. So that 30-minute ended up closing pretty strong. Pretty strong. Let's look at the 30. Technically speaking, there's really no reason for this trade to win at this point. We done already pushed above market structure, and there's clear range to be filled in. The only way that this trade will be able to win is if we just completely ran out of buy side liquidity, and price needs to come back down, retrace to fill that. But um, clearly that's not the case. We got another volume candle.
Order
All
filled.
right, there we go. Unfortunate. But on the bright side, we do have a consolidation zone that formed, and it looks like this candle is gonna close outside of it. So I'll be right in for a flip side buy if this closes outside of this consolidation zone. Yeah. All right, right back in.
Order
Damn,
filled.
late ass entry. Late ass entry. I was supposed to be in right here, but price is pushing up pretty. Price is pushing up pretty hard right now. But yeah, you know what I mean, there's clear range to be filled in, so it's understandable. There's a chance I'm getting in at the top, but I gotta follow the plan regardless. I can't predict the future. I don't know if I'm at the top or not. So if I just see it break out the zone, I'm hopping in. I'm gonna try to get back up to 1,000, and then I'll be done. What up, Aegis? It's gonna be the same thing as last time except reverse. If we get a close below here, I'll start managing the trade. The reason for this rejection is there's 1 minute left for this 5 minute to close. So, sellers are typically gonna come in with 1 minute left, 1 to 2 minutes left. But the next 5 minute candle that opens up should continue to push to the upside. We still haven't finished. We still haven't finished filling in this 30 minute candle. So looks like the volume is slowing down. Got another consolidation zone that just formed. 15 minute closes in 3 minutes to see what we're looking like. I really want TP to get hit in the next 2 minutes because there's no telling what this next 15 minute is gonna do. Because the next 15 is gonna be the close of this hour, and this hour got to be getting exhausted. You know what I'm saying? Got to be getting exhausted. We'll see though. Like I said, I'm gonna trust the strategy anyways though. Whether I think if the hour candle is exhausted or not, if the setup forms, it can't be too exhausted. You know what I'm saying? We get a close. I did say a close below here, but we got a decent support right here. So if we get a close below here, I'll say a close below here. I'll start managing the trade. I'm tempted to scale in if I'm being honest with you. That's what I'll do. Let me see something real quick. About 850. I'm gonna scale in two more right here. I'm gonna scale in three more right here.
Order filled.
Yeah. If we get if this would have closed like a rejection hammer, I would have scaled in again and moved my SL up some more. But it didn't do that, so we're just waiting. If we can get like a very strong bullish candle, I might scale in some more and move my SL up to like right here. Like if this candle closes like this, I'm gonna scale in again for sure. But it doesn't look like it's gonna give me the time. Come on now. Come on now, bro. Come on now, bro. All right, I'll move my SL up. Make that. Is it gonna? How much time we got left? 3 seconds left on this candle right here. Real quick. Well, I'm trying to see if I'm gonna have time to scale in, but it doesn't look like it. I mean, bro, come on, give me TP smash. This is nonsense right here.
Order
There we
filled.
go. All right, 300. So one more. Like I said, I'm just trying to get back up to 1,000. So one more trade for 300, and I'll be done. Like I said, this is a consolidation zone right here. So if we get, so if this candle closes above, I'll be in for the last buy of the day. We're approaching this 1 hour support. If we touch this 1 hour support before this closes, then I'm not gonna take it. All right, 5 seconds. I'm in. All right,
Order
last trade
filled.
of the day. Hopefully, this spread. Oh, a 10. What in the world? Did y'all see me click 10, bro? There is no way in hell I just clicked 10. There is no way in hell I just clicked 10, bro. I'm tweaking. I'm tweaking. All right. Well, $1,500 SL is right there, man. Wow. I'm gonna move it below this wick. This is very unfortunate. I just accidentally clicked 10 contracts. I've been mouse slipping a lot lately, bro. This is the last line of defense right here. That's why I moved the SL. Hey, I mean, it rejected it once, two, three times, man. They can do it again. See, now if I was in a five, at this point, I would have scaled in, but I accidentally clicked 10. So if this lose, I ain't even finna try to bring it back. I'm just gonna call it, bro, because that's just nonsense. All right, maybe we can get a wick fill real quick and maybe at least get us back to break even. That's the only hope we got. Only hope we got is a wick fill right here. We just hit 360 subscribers, so shout out everybody who's up. Almost at 400. Once I hit 500, I will be that much closer to being monetized. That is big. That is big. 500 subs, and I'll pretty much be 500 subs is like, I think this trade is gonna go ahead and take that L. Very, very, very unfortunate. Even if I was in the five contract, it looks like this would have lost, but I at least would have had the opportunity to manage the trade. Like at this point is probably when I would have started what I where I would have started managing the trade. But you know, it's not over yet. Let's see. Oh, this 1 hour closes in 9 minutes. That's why we're seeing such a heavy rejection. Like I said, the only thing, literally the only bit of technical analysis going for me is a wick fill on this 5 minute time frame. That's it. right, we might get the wick fill, man. We might get the wick fill. This hour closes in 5 minutes. Let's see what it's looking like. Mm, man, this volume is so slow, bro. God, I'm finna go to sleep. Man, I'm finna go to sleep. Oh my goodness.
Order filled.
Alright, bro. I ain't even finna try to make it back. I ain't even finna try to make that back, bro. I accidentally popped. I was supposed to be in a five. I was supposed to be in five contracts. I accidentally mouse slipped and clicked 10. Ruined the whole trade setup. To be honest, I just let it play out just because this is a practice account. So you know, But yeah, I'll go ahead and call it for the day. L on the practice account. Let's see. Let's just check the performance stats real quick for this practice account. This is on the practice. Started off good. Started off pretty good. And then so hit loss hit. Then we took the 1K L hit, and then another. This L was just way too big. Like I said, if I was in a five, I would have actually managed the trade, and it I promise it wouldn't have been an L that big. But you know who it is what it is. So that's how the practice account ended today. Combine literally lost the very first trade of the day. So this is the state of my combine right now. I'm back at break even. I was up about 500 before the day started, but literally first trade of the day was a L. That's why I even hopped on the practice account. So unfortunate. I got caught in a heavy. It was like a heavy two candle volume push. Slipped me about $60. I was only supposed to lose about 590, but it is what it is. Got the whole week to bounce back. So basically break even on the combine. I'll bounce back tomorrow, man. Ain't nothing to it. But yeah, catch y'all. Well, before y'all already know, drop a link to the Discord in the chat. Everybody in the live who are not in the Discord, man, just go ahead and hop in Discord, man. With that being said, man, catch y'all tomorrow around the same time, man.